The BMW Diamond Key, used in E46 3 Series models from 1998 to 2005, integrates a mechanical key with electronic remote functions. This key relies on a CR2032 battery for remote functions, like locking and unlocking doors. When the battery dies, the key's remote range diminishes or it stops working entirely. Replacing it yourself is straightforward and saves money. Dealerships charge $150 to $300, while DIY costs around $10 to $20. Modern tools like smartphone integrated key programmers and universal battery kits have made this process even easier. Be sure to work on a non-conductive surface and avoid static discharge to protect the key's electronics. Begin by gathering your materials for the BMW Diamond Key battery replacement. First, gather your materials: a new CR2032 battery, and a small plastic pry tool or flathead screwdriver. Locate the seam on the key fob and gently pry it open using a plastic tool to avoid damage. If there are screws, remove them carefully with a small screwdriver. Carefully remove the old battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity, positive side up, and avoid touching terminals. Snap the key fob back together securely. Test the remote functions by locking and unlocking from a distance of 10 to 20 feet. If the key doesn't work, reprogram it using an OBD2 scanner or by visiting a locksmith. Remember to use plastic tools to prevent damage, recycle the old battery responsibly, and note that if the transponder chip is damaged, replacement costs can exceed $200. With the right tools and precautions, success rates for DIY replacements are high.